Hello! In previous video, I showed you how to play A minor scale on the treble side. Now is the time to find out how to do it on the bass side. My name is Alexander, and as always, it is a pleasure for me to make these videos for you and help you grow as an accordion player. If you find this video useful, please hit that like button. Let's start. When it comes to the minor scales, on the bass side, fingering is a little bit different than the major scales, but it is very helpful if you learn the C major scale first. Start with the fifth finger in the counterbass row and follow the order from the C major scale. Third finger in the counterbass row on B, then fourth finger on C, second finger on D, fourth finger counterbass row on E, fifth finger on F, third finger on G, and fifth finger counterbass row on A. Now just go backwards. As I said before, in harmonic minor scale, instead of G, we play G sharp. The rest is the same. G sharp is played in the counterbass row with your second finger next to the E. So there is a little bit of a stretch here. Practice only this stretch so you can learn the entire scale faster. A minor melodic has F sharp and G sharp. F sharp is played in a counterbass row next to the D with your third finger. So once you reach E with your fourth finger, you have to stretch with your third finger to play F sharp, and then stretch again to reach G sharp with your second finger. When you are descending, you play natural scale without sharps. Once you learn to play both hands separately, it's time to learn to play both hands together. Do it slowly, one note at a time, without too much pressure, and then just repeat over and over until it's done.